Okay, this is 11.2, surface area of prisms. A prism is a polyhedron with exactly two congruent and parallel faces. Sometimes the faces are called bases, and the bases are any shape that is not a rectangle. That is not a rectangle. Is a base. It can be a rectangle, but any shape that's not a rectangle and you have two of them, then it's called a base. Those are your bases. Any shape that's not a rectangle in prisms. All right, so this shape is not a rectangle, and I have two of them here and here. So this is a base. This is called an edge, where two faces come together is an edge. This is called a face. And this one is called a base. Again, that's a triangle. It's not a rectangle. So that's a base. Altitudes and heights of a prism is a perpendicular segment that connects the bases. Remember, the base and the height always come together and form a right angle. The base and the height always come together and form a right angle. Base and the height always come together and form a right angle. All right. They also want us to look at nets. So looking at the net on this one, if I look at the bottom, I have a rectangle that's 3 by 2. My 2 looks longer than my 3. I should change that around. So this is the bottom. Then on the left side, we have 4 by 2. So this is 2 and this is 4. And then on the back side, this is 4 and this is 3. All right, so this side over here is 4. And then on the front side is the same thing. This is 4 by 3. And the right side is going to be 2 by 4. And then we have the top that I can connect to it. And the top is 3 by 2. Okay, so that would be the net. What the box would look like if I was to open that up. But the real important thing that we're looking for right now is the front and the back. Okay, so this is 4 by 3. Again, if you don't know what to look for, just trace with your pen or pencil. This much is 4 and this much is 3. So 4 times 3, which is 12, times 2 is 24. And then left and right. So left and right, this is 4 and this is 2 for the left and right. 4 by 2, which is 8 times 2 of them, so that's 16. And then top and bottom. This is going to be 3 and this is 2. So 3 by 2, which is 6 times 2 of them is 12. So 10, 12, carry a 1, 52 feet squared.